stop settling for a boring static desktop. Seriously, it's 2026. Your background should be alive. Today I'm going to show you how to turn this default, lifeless Windows screen into an incredible, fully animated desktop using a free and open source app. The best part is that it pauses when you play games, so your FPS won't take a hit. First things first, let's grab the app. Open up your browser and search for Lively Wallpaper. Make sure you're clicking on the official site by Rock Danister. Hit download and choose the Windows installer, or if you want it even easier, you can grab it directly from the Microsoft Store. Run the installer, accept the standard prompts, and let it do its thing. If it asks you to install the .NET Desktop Runtime or do a quick system restart, just click Yes. It's totally normal and handles it automatically. Once installed, launch it from your desktop. Now, if the window doesn't pop up immediately, don't panic. It likes to run quietly in the background. Just head to the bottom right of your taskbar, click the Show Hidden Icons arrow, right-click the Lively icon, and hit Open Lively. Boom! Welcome to your new dashboard. You'll see a handful of pre-installed interactive themes ready to go. Just click one, wait a second for it to load, and your desktop is instantly upgraded. But if you want your own custom look, head over to a site like motionbgs.com to get the best loopable motion backgrounds for free. They have massive collections sorted by categories like gaming, retro, or minimalist. Find one that fits your vibe and hit download. Now go back to Lively. In the top right corner, click the Add Wallpaper Plus button. You can actually paste a direct YouTube link here, but for the highest quality, click Choose a File, select the video we just downloaded and hit Open. Give it a title, click OK, and look at that. Your custom live desktop is live. Before you go, there are two crucial settings you need to fix. First, if your new wallpaper has background audio and it's driving you crazy, click the gear icon in the top right, go to Audio, and turn the volume down, or check the box to automatically mute it whenever another app is open. Second, if you're rocking a multi-monitor setup like me, click the monitor icon right next to the settings gear. Under Placement Method, you have options. Duplicate will mirror the animation on all screens, while Span will stretch one massive, ultra-wide resolution wallpaper across your entire desk. Pick your favorite, hit OK, and you are officially set. And that is how you completely transform your PC setup for $0. Drop a comment below letting me know what style of wallpaper you're rocking, smash that like button if this helped you out, and I'll see you guys in the next video.